Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm an attorney, but I also am in the oil and gas business. And in the oil and gas business, it's a little different than the practice of law.
Let's get rid of the law speak, right?
Why? We're
Yeah,
talking
so
about a law.
If we want to get rid of the law,
Hold on. There's a difference between a law and it being proper.
where'd the UPA laws come from? The PAs were being accused of the unauthorized practice of law by the lawyers. They worked hard to give themselves a licensed right to do what they do.
Because what's the APA against? Insurance fraud. And they can waive the deductible and you can't. And I can tell you, those legislators were very concerned about that issue, and it wasn't brought up to them because we're not in the room.
Are we on the same page with the use of bids?
We are, however. Let's go back and we'll talk about the facts of this. I said to Mr. Badger, we need to fix it properly. And he said, great, I'm gonna come in, we're gonna do an inspection. And then I get a call that says I'm bringing an engineer. I said, a BCD, a bias causation denier. I said, I have a problem with this. We don't need an engineer to rebuild this place. Why are you bringing an engineer? Because if you're bringing an engineer, Steve, I got one option for my client, which is my contractor.
That 98% of all the claims where there aren't lawyers or PAs involved, that my industry is screwing the homeowner. I refuse to accept that. Likewise,
do you admit?
well, hold on. Likewise, I'm not going to sit here and say that 98% of all of you are scumbag. All right, I'm not. There are problems on both sides, and that's why we have public adjusters and attorneys.
He's not a criminal, but he has a conflict of interest with your policyholders. He could not represent them.
Be nice.
He just talked about
Be nice.
be nice. If you're nice to the insurance company and they like what you're saying, then you may not be accused of a Class 3 felony. If they don't like what you say to the insurance company, then you can commit a Class 3 felony. I have a problem if it's a shell game. I have a problem if they're saying, this is good for you, when it's bad for you, and it's a trick.
First off, I don't waive deductibles, right? I decide not to enforce a right under my contract.
Yeah!
It's true.
Yeah! Are we waking up? Are we waking up?
Oh, so
Do
John,
you hear this?
so I'm going to show up at your American ethane contract, and I'm going to say, I have issues that I want to inject.
Now, here's what we have to start doing. We have to start being in the room, because there's an expression when we founded the APA. If you're not in the room, you're on the menu. You're still blinded by what's happening with that competitor. That you're saying, you know what, we got to stop that, when you don't step back and look at what'll happen. Steve has been a really good sport. He comes here, and I really appreciate it. I want to give him a round of applause. I also want to give this to Steve.
Really?
Yes. This is a replica that was built. David Prowse, who was the original Darth Vader, he signed it. So this is an exact replica of the original screenshot version.
I got to hug this out. Thank you.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Way to
Thanks,
go.
guys.
Round of applause.